Bloating can make you feel uncomfortable, sluggish, and frustrated. For years, I struggled with a puffy stomach, especially after meals. It felt like no matter what I ate, my belly would swell up. After trying different diets and remedies, I discovered that plant-based, gut-healing recipes were the key to beating bloating. These simple, delicious meals helped me feel lighter, happier, and healthier. Here's how I did it, along with some easy recipes you can try. Why bloating happens? Bloating happens when gas or fluid builds up in the digestive system. It can be caused by eating too fast, food intolerances, gut bacteria imbalance, stress, or processed foods. I noticed mine worsened with greasy meals and soda. Switching to plant-based foods helped ease it. These foods, like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes, are high in fiber and nutrients that support digestion. Probiotic-rich foods, such as fermented veggies, also help balance gut bacteria and reduce bloating naturally. My journey to a bloat-free life. I started by cutting out processed foods, sugary drinks, and dairy, which I suspected was a trigger. Instead, I focused on whole plant-based meals. I also drank more water and ate slowly to help my digestion. Within a week, I felt less puffy. After a month, my stomach was flatter and I had more energy. Here are 3 plant-based recipes that became my go-to meals for beating bloating. They're simple, affordable, and full of gut-healing ingredients. 1. Gut-soothing green smoothie. This smoothie is my go-to every morning because it's light, refreshing, and gentle on the stomach. It's made with spinach for fiber, banana for natural sweetness, and pineapple, which has enzymes that support digestion. Chia seeds add even more fiber, while almond milk keeps it dairy-free and easy to digest. A touch of ginger helps reduce bloating and inflammation. Blending everything creates a smooth, gut-friendly drink that's perfect as a breakfast or a snack. It's also hydrating and helps prevent constipation, one of the main causes of bloating. Sip slowly and enjoy. 2. Quinoa and roasted veggie bowl. This hearty quinoa and roasted veggie bowl is a perfect option for lunch or dinner. It's not just delicious, but also gentle on your digestive system. Quinoa, a protein-packed and gluten-free grain, serves as the base and is easy on the gut. Roasted zucchini, sweet potato, and broccoli bring a rich mix of flavors, fiber, and essential vitamins, all of which support digestion and gut health. To prepare, slice 1 zucchini, cube 1 sweet potato, and use a cup of broccoli florets. Toss them in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, 20 to 25 minutes, until tender. Serve the roasted vegetables over a cup of cooked quinoa and drizzle with a little extra olive oil. This bowl is filling, nutritious, and won't leave you feeling bloated. 3. Fermented veggie salad. Fermented foods like sauerkraut are excellent for gut health because they are rich in probiotics, which support a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This tangy and crunchy salad is both refreshing and nutritious. To prepare it, combine 1 cup of sauerkraut, 1 sliced cucumber, and 1 grated carrot in a bowl. These ingredients are hydrating, low in calories, and high in fiber. Drizzle the mix with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to aid digestion and 1 tablespoon of olive oil for healthy fats. Add fresh dill if desired for extra flavor. Toss everything well and serve. This salad makes a great side dish or light meal. If you're new to fermented foods, start with a small portion to allow your body to adjust. In conclusion, beating bloating changed my life. These plant-based recipes are easy to make and gentle on the stomach. They're not just about reducing puffiness, they're about feeling good inside and out. Try them for a week, and you might notice a flatter tummy and more energy. If bloating persists, talk to a doctor to rule out food intolerances or other issues. Your gut deserves love, and these recipes are a great way to start. Liked the video? Share it and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks!
Want to lose weight? Nagano Tonic is a delicious, powerful elixir that makes it fun and easy. Boost your metabolism, burn fat, and enjoy every sip. Click the link in the description to get started.